Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be showing you how to add a quick action bar on your Wix mobile website. So let us get started. First, go to your Wix website and access the left side menu. Under the Site and Apps section, tap on Website to begin editing your website. Click on Edit Site to make the necessary changes. To switch to the mobile view, simply click on the mobile icon located in the top toolbar. This will allow you to see how your website appears on mobile devices. Next, on the left menu, click on Mobile Tools. Here, you will find the option for the Quick Action Bar. Tap on Quick Action Bar to add it to your web page. The Quick Action Bar is a convenient way to provide easy access to important actions or links on your mobile site. You can customize it by adding more actions or deleting ones that you don't want to include. It is flexible, so you can tailor it to fit your website's specific needs and make it more user-friendly for your mobile visitors. Once you have set up the Quick Action Bar with the actions you want, it will be displayed on your mobile website, making it more convenient for your visitors to interact with your site and take the actions you want them to take. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.